this is Kate Boyer from BoozeHound, and I am your lazy bartender. Not theirs or whoever, but yours. And today we are celebrating National Rum Day. Rum Mon, rum. I cannot help but think of John Candy whenever I hear the word rum and planes, trains, and automobiles. So go check it out if you haven't seen it. Watch the whole frickin' movie and you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so today we are bringing you a BoozeHound original drink, or I should say the Lazy Bartender original drink, and we call it RumHound. Rum. Anyway, we have rum, we have a splash of bourbon, we have the ginger beer, some ice, and lime. Let's get to it. We are going to... This is a great drink because, seriously, it's just trying to put ice using a spoon into a glass, and, that's really fun, especially when you've had a few drinks. We're going to throw in a couple ounces of rum. Ooh, this is going to be good. Okay. And, a splash. Splash? Was that a good splash? Good splash? Bad splash? Okay, 3 ounces of the ginger beer. Might have to wait for the fizz to go down a little.
I don't think that's all going to fit.
Oh, it will fit. We do that. See, look at that. See, it's just beautiful. And now we throw in a good helping of fresh lime juice without squirting yourself in the eye. See how we do that, people? Okay. Now, because I'm a lazy bartender, who needs straws and all that fancy equipment? We just use our knife. Careful. All right. So cheers. Remember, this is your RumHound from the Lazy Bartender. Happy National Rum Day, everyone. Wow, that could kick your ass.
A lazy bartender wouldn't even measure.
That is not right, because a lazy bartender likes her drinks, and her drinks need to be really good. And so there is an amount of scientific tiffery that we need to do, and we do need to measure, because that's the right thing to do. And any good lazy bartender will tell you that.